it feel about doing it?
It was fun. I was kind of nervous at first because I thought I was like messing up, and I was like, oh my gosh, because when I was doing her brows, like one was thicker than the other, so I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so. Sorry guys, we forgot to do an intro for this video, but in this video, I'm doing my mom's makeup, which will be on her channel, and then my mom's gonna do my makeup, which will be on my channel. So I hope you guys see the video, and sorry we didn't do this when we were actually filming the video, but hope you like the video.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life.